your 20s are actually your worst decade.
Don't give too much of an F. Oh my God, it's all going to fall into place. Like,
Yeah.
just trust the process. Subukan mo na ba pumila para sa
Okay.
bilyar?
Oo.
Siya masaya. So one of the best things we did for our booking
Okay.
system is that we ask our clients, what is the shoot for? So basically, we just want them to say na our expected answers usually are just for birthday, for work, for business. But it's turning out to be like an essay writing thing.
Yeah. We get surprised sa mga sinusulat nila. Okay.
Yeah, we get a lot of very good answers. And one of the most recent ones that we've gotten is, as I enter, I'm so sorry if this is you. We're not gonna say naman who.
The name, oo.
As I enter my 30th milestone this year, I want to embrace my womanhood with this photo shoot and capture my youth as I consider this as my last straw of youthfulness, lol. Girl, 30 ka pa lang.
Grabe! Medyo grabe.
I still feel young.
For
Yeah.
context, we are in our
You're
30s
30
already.
plus, so...
Okay. Last throw of my youth, I still feel youthful, and I'm in my mid-30s already.
Yeah, and I actually always say when I ask clients na, okay, how old are you turning? Ganyan. Like, 29. Tapos parang sad sila. Parang, girl, parang, your 30th for me, I think, I don't know with you, is the best year so far. Because, I don't know yet if I'm going to say the same for my 40th. So far, because like, number one, you know yourself better. Number two, you have more money. I feel like if you really work for it, and like you find your stability in your 30s. So it's not the last.
And stability also in other aspects, not only financially,
Financially.
but also like because you know yourself more, you're more secured. You about yourself, who you are, diba? So parang feeling ko here, I feel like 30s are your best decade. Well, I don't know. Pag nag-40 tayo, baka yun na rin yung best. Every
Yeah.
every next level, yun yung best. Ganyan. But I also feel like, because I've said this to you, na parang I I listened to this podcast by Mel Robbins, and she was saying that your 20s are actually your worst decade. And Mel is already in her like
Okay lang yan, guys.
and Mel's already in her like 50s, ganyan. She was saying like parang your 20s are your worst because prior to that, you were in school. You know what's ahead of you. There's someone that parang may friends ka from the higher year.
Yeah.
Na parang,
There's a
I'm gonna do
direct
this
path.
also. Yeah, there's a direct path. Then,
Yeah.
right after school, you're thrown into this space.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Mel Robbins, ang term niya for this decade is the great scattering.
Yeah.
Because you're literally parang you're everything that's in you parang scattered eh.
Yeah.
Kasi parang yan yung time na di mo alam where your career is going. Di mo alam kung sino
There's
ka.
so many things you want to do. Your brain is so scattered with all the ideas that you'd like to do.
Right. And all of your relationships are also affected because your
Yeah.
friends that you've grown up with,
They also go to different places
iba-iba.
na. Yeah.
Like, lahat kayo nagkaroon ng sariling mga
That's true.
buhay. And so now you're stuck in this space. Na parang, okay, what am I gonna do with my life?
Yeah.
And there's so much pressure also because you see your colleagues being successful or like achieving all these things, right? And then here you are, you feel so like parang, what the F am I doing with my life?
Right.
And you just don't see it right now. But eventually, kasi when you hit your 30s, honestly,
That's
like parang,
where everything makes sense.
yeah, it makes sense. Tagal nung intro natin. Intro pa lang. Intro pa lang yun. Dami na nating chika. But that's just to give everyone a context that we are giving 5. What are we giving?
5 things I wish I knew in my 20s.
Yeah.
This is just like from our personal experiences. It's not like principles to abide by. It may be different for other people, but I don't know. Between the two of us, it's like on point. Diba?
Yeah.
Like, number 1, don't give too much of an F. Can't say that, no.
I don't think so.
You
Yeah.
can't. Basta. Insert.
But basically, to not care so much
Yeah. About
everything,
everything.
about
I
everything.
remember when I was in my 20s. Ako kasi, when I was graduating, or even I was growing up, I had a timeline for myself.
Right.
Na
Same.
I had to be, I remember I told myself I had to be published in a magazine by the time I'm 20. I have to have this amount by this time in my 20s. I actually did achieve some of them, but then when I didn't get the rest, I felt like my world crumbled.
Like you were such a failure.
Yeah, as in I was telling my friends na grabe, I feel so bad because I feel like I disappointed my parents
Right.
kasi hindi ko na-achieve yung dapat ko i-achieve, ganyan-ganyan. Parang, like looking back at it now, oh my gosh, that's too much pressure on myself.
Yeah.
Unnecessary pressure because no one was actually giving me that pressure. Luckily, and I know for some people it's an inflicted pressure by someone else. But for me, I was just carrying that burden on myself na hindi naman pala necessary. And I felt like I could have enjoyed my 20s more if I just really didn't give too much of an F. Diba?
And like in that context also, like not caring, also not care what other people think
Yeah.
of you and your achievements, because everyone else also is so busy thinking the same thing
About themselves.
about themselves. So
Yeah.
parang everyone thinks na parang, oh my God, sasabihin niya to. Or people would think about this to me.
Yeah.
Ganyan. When in reality, everyone is thinking the same way. So no one really cares.
Yeah. That's a sad
Yeah, I
reality.
saw nga a quote on Instagram na parang, on Twitter, like, there is no audience. Wala namang, it's not a show.
Yeah.
You're not in a show.
Yeah.
Basically, just you do you, diba?
As simple as I remember in my 20s, you wouldn't see me eating alone.
Talaga?
Oh, girl, I was not comfortable eating alone because I felt like people would judge me na, why is she eating alone? Parang ganun. As in, ganun ako sa sarili ko na parang, in my mind kasi dapat you have friends around you. Dapat may mga kasama ka
and may
lagi.
jowa ka
Ganon.
that
Oo, may jowa ka
time.
dapat. Ganyan. Pero now, oh my gosh, I enjoy that alone time so much. Parang please.
Because everyone is like...
like, just don't come with me. Okay na ako. I'm fine.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
Yeah, that's one.
Okay.
So like, there, it's okay.
Right. I mean, as long as you do your best, I think that's what is more important than to care. Kasi parang if there's always, parang at the back of your mind, kapag iniisip mo kung anong sinasabi ng ibang tao, it's like you're living for them
Yeah.
rather than for you.
Yeah.
So, and we only have like what? In your 20s, CCP mo kasi we have, you have your entire life ahead of you.
Yeah.
Di ba people would say, pa the world is your oyster.
Yeah.
Ganyan. But you're actually, when you're there, when you're in your 20s, it doesn't feel that way.
Yeah.
Kasi it feels na parang,
Ang
kailangan ko
bilis.
maging
I'll have to do this
successful.
now,
Kailangan maging
faster.
successful.
Everything has to go now. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. Which goes to the second point na you're not invincible.
You're not invincible.
So when
That's true.
you want to do so many things in your 20s and you actually do most of them, like you try as simple as you drink so much and then you go to work early the next day, or you try different so many different things, or you want in your mind, my career is here, but then what if I can be this person, and then you jump to that.
Right.
Or what if I can try this other? Parang ang dami mong gustong gawin.
Yeah.
But then, physically, oh my God, kids, it's going to compound. Like, when you're reaching your 30s, or when you're in your 30s, babawian ka ng katawan mo with everything.
And also, I'd like to point out, when you say you're not invincible, like, in other aspects too, like, because, like, kunyari, financially, this is the first time that you're actually accountable for your own money, right?
Mm.
And sometimes, if we're not used to, like, managing money, it's so easy, ma-excite ako, shopping,
Mm.
or, like, party, ganyan, ganyan. It's so easy. Kasi, alam mo naman, next sahod, meron
Meron
pa
pa,
rin
yeah.
papasok. Or, I don't know with you guys, pero I might be sharing too much about myself. But, because the safety blanket, na parang, okay, kapag naubos tong money ko, I think like my mom or my parents
Yup.
or my my siblings naman can lend me money
Yep.
pa, ganyan. So parang feeling ko yung adulting, parang it doesn't, I don't know, baka hindi pa nangyayari when you're in your early 20s.
Yeah. And that's okay. I think
And
that's
that's
okay.
okay.
Diba?
Because you can learn
You
it
will learn.
you will learn it along the way.
Yeah.
Like, that's the real adulting. It's not like kasi na parang after graduation, when you hit or when you start working, na parang magsasnap ka, okay, I'm an adult now. I don't think it happens that way. Like, it's a
No,
process.
it didn't happen for me that
But I
way.
had a moment though, like, do you know, like, did you have a moment na parang, alam mo na, okay, adult na ako. I'm an adult.
Medyo matagal dumating sa akin yun na nag-sink in. I think when I got married. Doon lang. And that
Which
was
was like, what, 2 years ago?
So parang ang tagal, 'di ba? Pero I'm sure it happened earlier, but then I just really hit that mark na because I have to be accountable for another person already.
Right, exactly.
Which I think is also happening now more so because as we grow older, our
Yeah.
parents also grow
Yeah,
older.
that's true.
So our responsibility now also comes with taking
Yeah.
care of them.
But at saka also, like, their old responsibilities now, like, are being passed on to you.
Yes. Yung mga gawain sa bahay, mga
Yeah.
kailangan ayusin, sa amilyar, sa mga tax. Ikaw na yun eh. So, di ba? Subukan mo na ba pumila para sa
Okay.
amilyar?
Oo.
Hindi siya masaya. Yung mga ganong klaseng adulting na
Right,
parang,
right.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oo.
Ako, I had it, like, medyo, baka, it might sound a bit depressing, but when I was filling up the death certificate of my dad,
Oh.
yeah, yun talaga yun, na parang sabi ko,
Yeah.
fuck, F. I'm an adult. Kasi
Yeah.
parang yun talaga yung complete transition na parang, okay,
Oo.
I'm taking over.
That's a physical
Yun
transition
talaga.
also.
Yun talaga. As in, literally, when I was like writing down his name, inisip ko talaga, shucks, I'm an adult. Like,
Yeah.
this is it.
Because
Like,
you're the next in line.
Yeah.
You're the family head
and
now.
that's also happened, like, what, 2 years ago also.
Oh, yeah.
So, medyo recent lang pala yung adulting
Saucy.
natin. Pero doon talaga nag-shift. Doon talaga nag-shift. Na parang, when it's also self-imposed, na
Yeah.
parang I decided on it.
Yeah.
That means also that people can decide to be an adult as early as whatever.
That's true.
Right.
And for some people, like some people that I know, or even some people in our team, they're already standing as the adults
Yeah,
in their
right.
families. And
Right.
they had to make that tough choice because they had to.
Yeah.
So,
And good for them. Kasi nga,
Yeah.
to our point, you're not invincible.
yeah.
We are on a borrowed time.
Mm.
So, might as well, parang don't waste the time that you have
Yeah,
in your
that's-
20s.
that's
Diba?
the
But tomorrow is
key.
never promised.
That's true.
So, yeah. Okay. Third
Your
point.
relationships evolve.
Your relationships evolve.
You know the famous, I don't know, laging caption to sa amin sa group of friends namin. The days, the nights that turn into days with your friends that turn into, oh my gosh, again. I'm so lost.
Famous quote ba yan?
Hindi famous.
Okay.
Like, lagi lang siyang caption sa post nun. Sa Multiply. Oh my God. Sa Multiply.
I don't know that.
Hindi na nila alam yun.
Nakita niyo ba yung
MySpace.
multiply? Nag-multiply ba kayo?
Oh, see.
Ay, but you know? Bakit you know?
Nakikita lang nila.
But you never signed up for it. Talaga?
Ay, di sorry.
Really?
Oh my gosh.
Grabe yung too young, ha? Friendster.
Friendster than MySpace.
Pero kayo,
ganyan.
nag-Friendster pa kayo? Hindi na?
Lalo na si B.
Oh my God.
Wala na si B lalo.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, yun. Basta pag nagpo-post kami ng photo or ng album, kasi kailangan dump ng album yun.
Paramihan. Ngayon, 10 na lang ina-post yung
Oo.
carousel. Dati, 300 plus,
Yeah.
500 plus
Part 1,
photos.
part 2.
If you come from like a night out, then the next day you'd upload an album.
At hindi galing sa phone, digicam.
Digicam.
Oh my
God. Iba pala kayo, walay pa yung camera.
Na ngayon nauuso na ulit. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I always use the parang...
Why were we there? Okay.
Yung post kasi na yung mga caption na nilalagay pa namin doon, thankful for the nights that turn into mornings with friends that turn
Turn
into
into
family.
family.
Because in
Okay.
your 20s, you spend so much time with your friends na parang, ala I remember noon, parang hi-bye lang ako sa pamilya ko dati.
Right.
Na sinasabihan na ako ng nanay ko, ginagawa mo ng boarding house yung
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
bahay.
Same, same,
Because
same.
you don't spend so much time at home because you feel like, why will I spend time with my family at home? And my friends
Yeah.
are out. I need to go out. And on my jowa, you're dating.
And you have like, this is the first time that you're experiencing that freedom kasi. Also.
Yeah, correct. Oo,
Oo.
kasi nung mag-aaral ka pa lang, you have limited, oh, you have to be home by this hour, ganyan. Ang promise nila sa'yo, pag nag-graduate ka, oh, sige, you have all the freedom, pero ngayon nung nag-aaral ka, ito yung rules
Oo.
ko. But now that you're a graduate, yay, I can be out as much as I want with everyone and anyone who you want to be with.
Ah, okay. I was just like listening to you. Okay. Akala ko host lang ako dito. Okay.
Ako yung guest.
Your relationship is evolved, right? But
Yeah.
also to that point, because really life like is all about relationships, right?
Yeah.
And I really believe that your relationships evolve because you yourself evolve also.
Mm.
Like your best friends right now, parang the relationship might come in a different form when one of you becomes a parent or one of you
Yeah.
gets married. And sometimes, diba, ikaw, I'm speaking for myself. Sometimes you'd feel na parang, oh my God, I'm being left behind.
Mm.
Because, yan, may sarili na siyang buhay. And
Yeah.
it will be different. And quite honestly, I had that phase. Like, parang in my late 20s, all of my bestest of friends um, started getting married. And I was like,
Mm.
parang, paano, right? Ganyan, ganyan. But now, we're still friends.
Yeah.
And I'm still like, parang sobrang nag-iba yung relationship in a sense na I'm talking to an adult already. Like, our conversations are always about health.
Yeah. Your body pains.
Yeah, your body pains. But also, like, kunyari na parang, um, I have this, one of my best friends, like, her husband got hospitalized recently and we were
Mm.
talking about like okay ano yung mga HMO coverage yung mga who can we
So true,
contact to that can help us in the processing of things ganyan, ganyan.
Totoo
All of
yun.
that when you are in your 20s you talk about boys
Yeah.
you
I
talk
remember ang
about
chat group namin noon, ang hanapan, oh, sinong may kakilala sa bar nito, pag-guest list tayo. Ngayon,
right
hindi. Sinong may kilala na agent for this
yeah
HMO? Sinong may bank manager for this? Patulong ng application ng ganito.
we know about it
Ganon.
basically evolves around like your responsibilities
Yeah.
because you now like your new sharing points you now are also
Or
responsibilities
also different. Yeah.
to that point parang what I'm saying is like in your 20s you might feel that you are being left behind or you might feel
Mm.
na napag-iwanan ka
Yeah.
or whatsoever, right? But honestly, at the end of the day, it's your choice how to
Yeah.
deal with that relationship. How will your relationship with your friends, with your family evolve?
Yeah.
Like, when you hit your 30s and you'd realize na parang, hindi. Siya pa rin yung your one call away
Yep.
friend, right?
Exactly.
You still have that. You might not be partying
Yeah.
3 times or 5 times a
And you
week.
might not be even speaking with each other as
Right,
often.
right. So, ang importante lang is you keep it.
Yeah.
There, no burning bridges. For
Yeah.
me talaga yun, that's like a no-no. Like, if you burn bridges with someone, parang it speaks so much about you
Yeah.
than the other person.
It goes back to you also in the future, like not just friends.
Yeah, yeah.
Work relationships, when you burn bridges, especially or like in our industry, very very tight,
Small.
very small. So pag may narinig na about you,
Yeah.
you might not see it now, but in the future, when you actually need to reconnect with that person,
Right.
how are you gonna bring it back?
Right. Alam mo, I had so many of that. And na-realize ko, shocks, parang this relationship pala, I would need this pala
Yeah.
after 5 years or 10 years, ganyan. Tapos, I remember pa, I have this, when I was starting, I worked in a magazine and I had an assistant, just my editorial assistant. And then, 5 years after,
Mm.
she asked me, I was already like, parang I was transitioning jobs. and she asked me na parang, I need a peer manager, ganyan, ganyan. And then, sh- I got the job, but now she's my boss. So like switch. She
Oh.
used to be my assistant. Hanggang 6 years later, naging boss ko siya.
Yeah.
So parang for me, it's just like parang okay, okay lang, ganyan, ganyan.
Yan ang evolution.
Evolution
Yeah.
talaga. But more than anything else kasi, because in the workplace, okay, we're professionals, but we're also friends.
Yeah.
So, ang galing kasi parang your relationships, you wouldn't know na in the future may kakailanganin ka.
Yeah.
Ganun.
So just remember, just be nice. Be
Be
kind.
kind.
Be
Yeah.
true.
Spend for for experiences. Invest.
I was not the best manager of my finances in my 20s. I had a boatload of debt from credit card. And I think I told this to some of our team members na, oh my God, if you can hold off on any credit cards, because if you're not able to manage it well, it's going to eat you
Yeah,
alive.
that's true. That's true.
I had such a hard time finishing my credit card debt because I was thinking, oh my gosh, ang saya, okay,
Yeah.
cash. Oh
It's
my
so
God.
easy to just like give your card kasi when you're
Yeah.
in an establishment or whatsoever.
Yeah.
right? Yeah. But it could also be the most irresponsible thing that you
Yeah.
could do for yourself.
And all of the things I was spending for then were like trendy stuff and things that I knew, I didn't know that I'm not gonna use eventually.
Right.
Parang wala, spur of the moment. I was such a, ano ba tawag doon, impulsive spender.
Yeah, yeah.
Na hindi ko naman din siya nadala to this day. Eventually, hindi ko din siya nagagamit.
Yeah.
Na sana I could have spent it on things that actually would help me or enhance me or like develop me further, whether that's an experience, a class, a workshop, or what. Because yun yung matitira eh. Like, for example, in my past businesses, so I had, ano nga ako ulit? Import distributor. I tried to manufacture also. And then, I was telling, when people ask me, how did you become a makeup artist? Wala lang, because I had a business about makeup. So I had to study the technicalities of how to be a makeup artist so I understand it better. But when all of those businesses faded out, walang nag-fly sa kanila. What remained was the skill.
Right.
And that's actually what brought me
Yeah,
here.
that's true.
So, parang the point there is, parang if you're going to spend, I feel like the best investment would be something that would really develop you as a person in whatever way that is.
Great. And it has to be a conscious decision. Like when you sorry, I'm in the context of credit card, but when you get a credit card, when you apply for a credit card, ganyan, you have to know na kaya mo nang i-handle
Yep.
and i-manage. It has to the credit card should work for you.
Yeah.
And it's not only like for your pleasure.
Yeah.
Na parang you're not getting a card because para so now I can afford an iMac, ganyan, whatsoever, right? It's really more for like, okay, managing your cash
Yeah.
flow. Ganun siya. You should see things like as a tool to help you. And to build your finances rather than parang, oh, sige, para I can spend on
Yeah.
this, ganyan. Yan. Yun lang. Yeah, in the context of the point of spend
For
for
yourself.
yourself, invest in yourself, right? Kasi nga, when in your 20s, first time mo to acquire money of your own, it's so sobrang dali na
Yeah.
na parang ma-excite na parang okay, I can eat in this restaurant already, ganyan, ganyan. I forgot my point. Okay, you were saying.
No, I was just thinking kasi now, ngayon ko mas nafe-feel yung value of every peso. Because of after how many years of really trying to
Yeah.
find my way and really work for it, now I really feel like how much work I had to put to get this.
Right.
So parang, anong point nga nung sinasabi ko in connection sa investment?
Or ako, ayun pala, I was getting to, di ba sabi mo, invest in experiences, ganyan, ganyan.
Yeah.
Parang rather than spend on trendy things,
Yeah.
ganyan, invest in experiences. Oh my God, nawawala yung thought ko, nawala ulit. Spend on, you have to choose to spend.
On,
Ano ba? Ano bang mga,
on
ano?
things that will last more than your lifetime. I don't know. Pwede ba yun? Labo.
Or actually, na-realize ko nga,
Oh my God, get an
baka,
insurance.
it will, well, yes. And also, like, kunyari, in your, parang feeling ko, it's a, I don't know, parang different yung early 20s, your late 20s. Na-feel mo ba yung difference, no? Oh, ay, sorry, 26
Medyo.
ka na eh. May ganung transition na ba for you? 'Di ba? May ganun eh. Kasi parang I realized kasi in my early 20s, my spending habits were like partying,
Yeah.
clothes, restaurants, ganyan, ganyan. In my late 20s, that's where we met in my late
Mm.
20s. Like parang in a leadership
Yeah.
program,
Oo.
like parang skill set
That's true.
training, like you know, those are the things that I was
Yeah.
like really looking forward to. Because I guess you're starting
Mm.
to mature already.
Yeah.
And also, like career-wise, nag-elevate na rin yung career mo.
Yeah.
So you need new experiences
Correct.
that will help you in your
Your
career.
change, your needs change. Eh.
Right.
So your
Right.
spending habits will also change.
Yeah.
And I think it was Angel who said to me, parang you said something about your family or basta your family or friends saying na it's okay to spend what you earn now
Right.
in your 20s. And I totally agree with that. Because, parang it's also, parang give yourself that.
Yeah,
If you can.
if you can.
Yeah, but just know when to draw back the line
Yeah.
to responsibility.
It's not naman ano, it's not naman bad to reward yourself
Yeah.
once in a while.
Reward yourself also.
And it doesn't have to be like
Doesn't have to be
mahal.
grand. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Okay, and last. Finally last.
Everything will fall into place.
Oh, yeah. And in all of that, and all of the from the scattering to the evolving relationships to the going down the drain bank accounts and all of that, no matter how daunting it sounds, oh my God, it's all going to fall into place. Like, just trust the process.
Yeah.
You're going to find the answers to all of the questions. Like, what am I going to do with my life? Am I going to be okay? Will I be able to sustain myself? Will I still be with the same person
Right.
after X number of years? No matter what the answer is, it's okay.
It will all make sense.
It will all make sense. This is where you're supposed to be.
Yeah. It's so funny, like, because I remember thinking when I was in high school, so diba may timeline? Ganyan, supposed to do this, blah, blah, blah. And like when you hit your 20s, hindi mo naman masusunod yun, right? But nakakatawa kasi naalala ko, I said na, I think I'm just gonna last until I'm 30.
You
I'm
always
so morbid.
you still say that to this day.
Yeah,
Now,
but
I'm still only
beyond,
gonna beyond.
okay,
You say
yeah.
an age. Like, why do you say
I
that?
put some sense of like deadline talaga to myself, like to achieve things, ganyan, ganyan. Tapos na-realize ko rin, kasi like, so 10 years, I'm in my mid-30s now. Now, I never planned to have like my own business, ganyan, ganyan. But I feel like in my 20s, I already had it in me, that entrepreneurial spirit. Because whenever I'd go for a job or I'd work for a company or a brand, I always think it that way. That this
Good
is
for
my
you.
brand.
Yeah.
Because, well, I don't know,
It's
also
a good
because I'm in
mindset.
comms. I'm always in the comms. So
I
parang
wasn't. I never had that thought.
I'm always the one fronting people,
Yeah.
talking about the brand, ganyan. So parang feeling ko andun yung ownership
Yeah.
parate. So I think that helped in my entrepreneurial journey also. But yun na nga eh, hindi ko siya pinlanong magkaroon ng business. It's not in my timeline to have a business of my own. But looking back, it all makes sense. Like all of the experiences I had in my jobs, parang are the things that equipped us
Yeah.
to becoming an entrepreneur now. Like parang I started in media and like all these friends from media who actually evolved na rin to being content creators, to being editors of other publications. My experience in retail, managing people, like working with not so nice bosses. Diba?
Hi.
Parang like the things that you don't want your staff to experience, but
You
oh,
experience, yeah.
diba? Like that. And then after that, parang did freelancing, did
Yeah.
retail, again, all it makes sense now.
Yeah.
Tapos naalala ko pa, um, I already mentioned this before, that this concept that we have right now, it was actually
Your
a
thesis.
thesis
Yeah.
na parang may thesis in high school na without thinking it, like an all, parang one-stop shop, na
Yeah.
paglabas mo nung store or whatsoever,
Magtao ka na.
ibang tao ka na, ganyan. And now, sabi ko, parang na-manifest ko na pala sa way
Yeah.
back. And
Galing.
you just didn't know.
Yeah.
You just didn't know. It's just that, like, parang feeling ko, these thoughts, these ideas, these experiences are already planned for you. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. It's just that you just have to surrender and
Correct.
trust the process.
Yeah.
That one day, everything will make sense and
Yeah.
everything will fall into place.
I think I said this like too close to. I think I said it in one of our huddles. My big or to you also na I'm living my declaration and my awards from Leap
Okay.
na
They
I
should know first what deep is.
so yung the coaching program where we met, it's like you're going to find you're going to try to find or formulate your own like parang mantra.
Your mantra.
Yeah. So mine at that time was I am wholehearted. What that means is you're doing everything no matter how difficult it would be. You're all in 100%
in.
every time, no matter how difficult. At that time, yeah, I felt it na parang, oh yeah, nice in the context of the program. But then when I stepped out, I was like, okay, yeah, it's just there, but I didn't really fully feel it. But now, running Shield, being with all of you guys, dun ko na feel recently na, oh my gosh, I really am wholehearted. Because no matter how difficult, oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. This early.
Aga?
No matter how difficult it is, no matter how many times I trampled, and if you can only hear my stories of how difficult it was for me in my 20s, trying to find my own business, trying to build that, it was so difficult. But then, me just going at it continuously, relentlessly, being 100% all the time, no matter if I didn't feel like I was 100% at that time. It all makes sense now because what it meant this is what it means to be wholehearted. Building this is it. And I had to go through all the difficulties in my 20s to fully understand and be ready to be in this moment. So I think God was telling me before
In
na,
this moment.
in this moment.
Okay.
Okay. Parang hindi binibigay ni Lord yun before kasi hindi pa ako ready.
Yeah.
Pero
that's
I
true.
had to go through all of it because finally, okay, Janine, you're ready.
That's
Binagsak
so
ni Lord
true.
100% lahat
Yeah, but that's
sabay-sabay.
really so true.
Yeah.
Na parang hindi binibigay sa'yo because when you're not ready and you feel like, kasi parang kunyari, and when you're in your 20s, you're so pressured to achieve things, right?
Yeah.
Like to get that big dream. But sometimes, even if you're good, mabuti ka naman tao, you work so
Yeah.
hard for it, ganyan. It's just that you're not ready.
Yeah.
Parang not now. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
You're being prepared.
Yeah.
So, no matter where you guys are at the stage of your life now, just know you're gonna be okay. You're being prepared for so many big things.
So many.
So be excited
many.
for that. Just be
Yeah.
excited for that because, oh my gosh, it's gonna be so awesome. In my head. And I've seen a lot of my visions come to life. But one thing that's still continuously going back to me is I see a building. As in like building. That it's our building.
Okay.
No matter what that means. So I'm kind of scared. But let's go. Okay. Yun lang. Okay, bye.
Bye.